All rise for support court with Judge Vonda B. Judge, this is case number JVB 2002, Miller case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay.
All right, guys, buckle up. This courtroom clash between Mrs. Miller and Tracy Smith starts with a bang, a grandmother accusing her future daughter-in-law of abandonment while the judge tries to sort truth from emotion. Family ties, childcare, and money collide in a way you don't see every day.
To check on the kids, haven't done anything, just dropped them off and took off and expects me to take care of the children with no money. She doesn't drop food off, she didn't leave any clothes, she didn't do anything. Tracy says she works all the time. That's what she tells me.
Okay.
That's where she is. So she hasn't done anything with the kids.
Okay.
And they're small kids. They're 3 and 4. I'm trying to deal with a 3 and 4-year-old while she runs around and does whatever Tracy.
Right here, Mrs. Miller reveals she's been raising 2 toddlers for months without help. But is it neglect or a temporary agreement gone sour? Watch how Judge Vonda B zeroes in on the missing facts to figure out who's truly responsible.
Kiss up to me.
No.
That would be Tracy. That would be her.
Okay. Mrs. Miller, we're going to be nice and respectful.
I apologize,
It's not
Your
kissing up if she is watching court on Zoom. That's why we live stream, so you can watch it. And a lot of people watch it to get prepared. I see you have your notes there.
Yes,
I see that she has notes there. That's okay.
Yeah, it is okay, but I would watch it if I wasn't watching kids and kid shows, but that's because I got kids, but
Your Honor, I don't know why she's so mean to me.
Oh,
like,
here
I
go
don't
the tears.
understand.
Notice the judge catching Tracy watching court on Zoom to prepare. A power move or desperation? Do you think preparing this way shows respect for the system or just savvy self-defense? Drop your thoughts below.
I'm assuming the two of you don't get along.
She's not my favorite person. No.
Oh, okay.
No, she's really not. She's really not.
I mean, well, why is that?
I just
curious.
Because she lies. She's not taking care of her children. She tricked my son into having children with her.
I did not
just
trick
don't
your son
understand.
into my bed. I
I
didn't
don't
trick your son into my bed. He got there
She
voluntarily.
kind of got a
That's
point
what
there.
you offered.
And very happily, might I
That's what
add.
you offered. So he got in the bed.
Okay, so how do you know their relationship?
My son tells me things.
Right. You
then-
only get it, hear me out, you're only getting information from your son. And I'm not saying that your son is not being truthful.
Here's the turning point. Even the judge points out Tracy trusted Mrs. Miller enough to leave her children there. Yet the grandmother frames it as betrayal. How can trust and resentment exist side by side like this?
Now, Mrs. Miller, is there anything else you want me to know? Well, before I go there, let me ask you a question. Did you all communicate at all about why the children were being dropped off to you?
My son is in the military.
Okay.
So Tracy, should be taking care of the children.
Okay.
But she got this new career that she has to worry about. So
That's a good thing, right?
If it keeps you away from your children, no.
Okay.
No.
And you said 6 months they've been with you.
Mm-hmm, 6 months.
Was there a discussion about it being a temporary thing, or was it just permanent?
Temporary.
When the judge learns the children's father is deployed, the case takes on a new weight. Suddenly, this isn't just a custody spat. It's about a military family struggling to juggle service, parenting, and a budding career.
To be here.
Yes, and I've emailed him, but I haven't got a response yet. He has limited access right now while he's overseas.
Okay, so it is indeed a fact that you dropped the children off to grandmother 6 months ago.
Yes, so the court knows I'm a influencer, and I hate saying that because I'm still growing right now. I'm in
Okay.
the growing stage. And so I do like travel blogs and things like that, which require me to travel.
Object, question. Which one can I do?
excuse
The
me.
question, what she said.
This is the aha moment. Tracy admits she's an aspiring travel influencer. Her defense? She's building a future while dad's overseas. But does chasing social media dreams excuse leaving toddlers with grandma? What would you do?
He did not want me to give up my growing career. I'm starting to get a lot of traction on social media. And so he told me that he talked to his mom and agreed that she would take care of the kids while I have to travel. And I don't travel for like a month at a time. I'm gone maybe 5 days to 7 days, and I'm back 2 or 3, and I get my kids. And then if I have to travel again, I leave them with her. You know, I don't have my mom And so when I got in this relationship, I wanted to have a good relationship with her, and I don't know why she's so mean to me. Like, I have beautiful children with her son, and I'm a good person. And so if she...
Listen closely. The judge uncovers a web of half conversations. Tracy thinks there's a deal. Mrs. Miller thinks she's been abandoned, and the son may not even know what's happening back home. Classic three-way miscommunication.
We're going to be married. Whether she likes it or not, whether she's there or not, we're going to be married.
Okay. I see what's going on here. It sounds like a lot of miscommunication going on, not only between she and her fiance, well, not necessarily between the two of them. I believe that based on what she just said, they knew what they were doing, but your son is not communicating with you, and the two of you aren't communicating with each other.
But Your Honor, she says that he was doing the paying part of the bills. He's always paid part of my bills. That was before the children came. So
Okay.
for her to say he's paying the bills for the children, he's not paying those bills for the children. He's always taking care of his mother.
I don't think that's...
The tension peaks as Mrs. Miller dismisses Tracy's engagement ring and throws shade about the nice girl down the street. This isn't just about money, it's about who's worthy of her son, and the kids are caught in the crossfire.
Said why she started her little career.
Okay, so...
That you need to watch, I was going to have the kids.
So you agreed, and I believe there is...
But 6 months?
Do y'all have anything you want me to look at? Because I see that you have documents over here. I see that you have... Looks like you just
No,
have
I just
notes.
have my notes, Your Honor.
I have the email that my husband, my almost husband, sent to his mom.
Could you stop saying that? And you have his
should
email
get
address,
used to
don't you?
it.
Don't you check his email? So you probably sent that email.
But how do you know?
Thank you.
Because that's the kind of person she is.
Come on,
And
Mrs.
so
Miller.
The email
Thank
states
you.
like if she could watch them while I travel, and you haven't heard her deny. I get them when I come back. It's never for longer than 5, maybe 7 days at a time. And if she wants
How
to
much money
Ma'am,
have you
please
given
let
toward this?
me
See how
finish.
she talks? See, there's the real her. There's the real her coming out right now.
No,
Go ahead.
no,
Don't
no,
stop
no.
that crying. Just keep going like that.
Hold on. 1 second. 1 second.
Here comes the email bombshell. Tracy presents proof that Grandma agreed to watch the kids temporarily. In court, paper beats feelings, and this document flips the power dynamic instantly. Could this have been avoided with one honest conversation?
But it does not seem like you did anything here today other than to come and waste my time. Because you should not have filed a child support situation on her. You should not. It's
She's
very
the mother.
clear. It is very clear that this arrangement was for you to help not only her, but to help your son as well. And then if it's true what she also said, that she hasn't been able to communicate with her husband, he doesn't even know that you did this. I'm sorry, your son, her fiance, he doesn't even know that you did this. You think he's gonna be impressed to know that his...
The judge calls it out. Mrs. Miller filed child support against someone who was supposed to be family. It's a hard rebuke that shows how courts can't fix broken communication or family resentment.
All right? I'm going to deny your request, and I'm going to dismiss this case because you do not have a reason to ask for child support. It's very clear from this email that you knew what the situation was and you agreed to help them. And you're getting financial support from it. It's just not what you're looking for, but that was the agreement, to continue paying the bills and everything like that.
I won't be dropping them off on Monday, so.
You ain't gonna have that already there. You probably not coming.
No, hold on. Yes, you are. Because y'all are gonna do what? Y'all gonna go have a conversation.
Did you hear her?
Here's the climax. The judge dismisses the case outright. No child support order, no legal win for Grandma. Instead, both women are told to have a real conversation, not a courtroom war. Do you agree with this ruling?
We're gonna have a conversation.
Yes, y'all are gonna have a conversation.
You're gonna have to play
and y'all are
nice,
gonna
not
work
just in
this
front
out.
of the judge.
And you are too. Is there anything further?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, is there anything further?
No, Your Honor. Can we order counseling? Is that an option?
Girl, please.
Well, I can't necessarily order counseling because
Because
this.
I can't talk to her. Look how she
Well,
reacts.
here's the
Girl,
deal. Here's the
please.
deal. I cannot order that. That is not what we do in child support court, but I would highly recommend and encourage it. And it can be done. And I have faith in the both of you. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
And that's it. Case dismissed. What started as a battle over child support turned into a public family intervention. If this drama stunned you too, drop your take in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more real-life courtroom moments.